How to use All City Cycles review. Properly beginner mistakes that cost you. All City Cycles makes high quality bikes for road, gravel, and track enthusiasts, but beginners often make mistakes that cost money or affect performance. Here's how to use it properly. The first mistake is buying the wrong bike for your needs. Most people get this wrong by choosing style over purpose. Road bikes, gravel bikes, and track bikes each serve different functions. Know your terrain and riding goals before purchasing. Second mistake, neglecting proper sizing. You won't believe how uncomfortable and inefficient riding can be without correct frame size and adjustments. All City provides size charts and fit guides. Use them carefully. Third mistake, skipping maintenance. The surprising truth is even the best bikes need regular care. Clean your chain, check tire pressure, and inspect brakes to prevent costly repairs and maintain safety. Fourth mistake, ignoring components and upgrades. Beginners often overlook gear ratios, wheel quality, and saddle comfort. Understand these parts and invest wisely to enhance performance. Finally, not utilizing community resources is common. All City offers blogs, videos, and forums. Engaging with these helps you learn tips, tricks, and best practices from experienced riders. By choosing the right bike, ensuring proper sizing, performing regular maintenance, considering components carefully, and using community resources, you can get the most out of All City Cycles. Avoid these beginner mistakes, and your riding experience will be smoother, safer, and more enjoyable.